vanhu panguva ino vobuda vachipopota vachiti aiwa tribalism and racism is equal to the ruling party ZANU-PF after now aiwa dzana David Coulthard aiwa dze chieftainship aiwa neuking nhau iri kunyatsozikanwa panguva ino vanhu vamutsvangwa makaona vachivava zvakanyanyisa nana Daniel Garwe. Panapa vanhu macritics obuda nyasi kukomenta pamusoro penhau iyi. Sana pena masvika kubuda nyora panapa ndobva subscribe like on the bell icon. Takananga BBC vanoposta mutsvango achikomenta panhau Yana Coulthard. Amuda nyora chiti ZANU-PF spokesperson Chris Mutsvangwa seem to be so worried about the existence of King Lobengula. Why? We know Bulawayo as the city of kings and queens, but they don't want them to exist. Why? They claim to be Mutapa kings, but they don't want King Lobengula to exist. Why? It is that they want to continue with the controlled chiefdomship. Let's talk. In the comment section, this is tribalism. We've got a lot of tribes in Zimbabwe. What is it which causes these men to be a tribalist? Why can't the Ndebele do their own things like everybody else? This is sad and unbelievable. Hatred of Ndebeles, but you can never destroy people's identity. Ye should know that very well. Even their Gugura Huntifeld, they closed those industries from Bulawayo. What is his point exactly? He wouldn't say same words had it been a Shona king. Racism and tribalism is close to ZANU-PF. I don't like this guy at all. The only king we know from Ndebele land is King Lobengula. Mashoko atukona kuti vanhu vari kukomenda pamusoro penhau yekuti the ruling party ZANU-PF yes vanotaura pamusoro nezvana King Lobengula and the likes, but kana pakuda kuzoappointiwa makings acho panguva ino vanorizitsa vatombori kana kuzvinzwa anything to do with Mandebeles they just retain vanongogara vangori suppressed vanoonekwa sevanhu vasiri chinhu. Pana vationa mavoices achibva kuBulawayo they are resisting vachiti aiwa isu hatimbodi matribalist. You cannot destroy our own identity. Tuze mafunguro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechitwe chipina comment section medu. Muze mafunguro enyu musana subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.